True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So today I am in the Springfield area. Yeah man, so big up on yourself anyone I watch from. As you can see, this is the Springfield area. Big up yourself, as I said, Mr. Bev Production. You can go over to our channel and subscribe. Big up all the Springfield people, then big up on yourself man, big up on yourself. One love I want to my people, my people, my people. So this is the Springfield Post Office. Yeah, you can see I go under the Springfield area. Also, this is the Springfield Health Center. So now if you know the place, man, know the place where you come from. Never forget where you come from. Anywhere you go, always remember where you come from in life. So this is the health center in Springfield. So you have a sitting area under the almond tree. So if anybody come here before, I remember them sitting here there under the almond tree, big up on yourself, and you can leave in the comment section and say, yeah man, I've been there before. Yeah man, I'm a tour guide Fire Reid, you know. Yeah man, I'm a tour guide Fire Reid, a tour area and show you where I go on. Beautiful, beautiful St.Elizabeth. Yeah man, remember if you press the like button, free of cost. So this video can get to show to many different people all over the world. So when you come here, so you're gonna see a sign, Springfield Citizen Association welcome you. Yeah man. So I see we have a sign mark Hoodland, Moko, New Market. Yeah, the sign they want to clean out and things still, you know? Yeah man, the sign they need to be clean out and things, so. Let's tour the area and see what I go and see them with. See the sign there? Now go see that sign there, so. Sign they need to be clean out, you know? Say a tour here and I feel no way. Just enjoy the tour man. I don't know this area very well. So we all gonna learn how this area stay today. And I said if you're watching this video and you know something about that area, leave it in the comment section, you know. I would appreciate it. Yeah, thank you. What a cocoa tree, big man. I see a lot of banana tree in the area. Banana tree like crazy. Nice weather today, very sunny. On a Sunday, driving in Springfield. And them place them call him Moko and them place there, you know. So this is the parish council tank, which is on your left. Who know that tank there? Say something if you know that tank there. Yeah man, just say something if you know that tank in that area. Say something, say something, say something. What you mean? Big up on yourself, General. So far in this area, I don't see. There are a few potholes, but the road them kind of look not too bad. Look out for the bike rider, them in my paper. Look out for the bike rider, them. Yeah, so we have a little bit of bad road condition right here, you know. You know countryside is the best. Anyone wanna go over the world, countryside is the best. You can do everything for the countryside. If you love your backyard farming, get a piece of land in the country. So you can grow your own crops. Very healthier for you. Watch, look how much banana up on tree of them area. A lot of banana trees. Every tree I look on, see all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and a banana. How can I forget the countryside? St.Elizabeth is the bread basket in Jamaica, you know? When I say me people, don't play with the countryside. What a beautiful house, man. I tell you, say in a life, you don't have to, you don't feel like say you can build up a big house in the country, same way, man, and enjoy your place, man. Look at the house, man. No matter how small the house is, same way, we still going to enjoy the house in the countryside. It's not all about what you have. It's how you live your life. You know? But I show us a big house in the country same way. And the only town alone you can go and see a big, beautiful house. Sometimes when you go up on the countryside, they're telling us say that's how you can see houses too. Houses like crazy, big house, on some big land. Remember if you blow the horn, you know. Make the people them know so now come around. So I look at me, see no sign in the area, not seeing any sign for telling exactly the location now. Not seeing any sign. So if you don't know the area and I watch the video, or you can say something in the comment section, yeah man. Remember if you blow no horn on my people, remember that. trust me, when you're in this area, yes, if you want to see some beautiful hillside, yeah man, the place just look nice. So now if you know the country area, as I said, you're not gonna see much sign. So if you know the area, leave it in the comment section and say yes, Fire Reid, me know that place here. So thanks for watching True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid.